Hey kiddos, so today we're going to reread the same book. It's the last time we're going to read it. Tomorrow I'll read something fun, I promise. And then we'll be done with this book. But I thought this book was pretty cool. It had a lot of cool facts in it. So we're going to reread it one more time. So it's called Seed to Plant. It's by National Geographic's Kids. I love the sunflower on the front and all the green leaves. Okay. What is a plant? A plant is a living thing. It stays in one place, but it grows and changes just like you. So, water lily, that would be something cool to write about today. A white water lily, they're very pretty. Or you can write about maybe a fern or a tangerine tree. I don't know about you guys, but that's my favorite kind of fruit. I love tangerines. And then orchids. Orchids are very pretty flowers. Plants can be big or small. Some have flowers. Others also grow fruit. Trees are plants too. Check that out. Trees are plants. Plants are a big part of our world. Farmers grow fruits and vegetables. These plants give us food. So remember we talked about how this could be corn, and then corn grows from plants. And this is the farmer in his tractor, and he looks almost like he's mowing the lawn. All right, let's check out this one. Some plants can be used to make clothing. Your t-shirt is made from cotton plants. So here's a farmer and he's picking cotton in his field. And that's what cotton looks like. Those little white balls on the plants, that's cotton. And then we have other plants are cozy homes for animals. A bear and a tree. So look at that baby bear and he's hiding in that tree. And then parts of a plant. You can use your body to remember the parts of a plant. So your arms are like leaves, right? So the leaves. Your body is like the stem. So remember the stem's the center of the plant. And feet are like roots. So here are your feet and here are the roots. Roots hold the plant in the ground. The stem helps the plant stand up tall. Leaves soak up the sunlight. How does a plant begin? Let's dig in. Most plants start as a seed. Remember, a seed looks like that. The seed splits open. A shoot pushes out. This is called germination. Remember? Germination. Doesn't sound like it's spelled, does it? And that's when a tiny piece of the plant starts to push out of the seed. And it says a new plant is beginning. So here's a new plant popping out of the seed now. Okay, buzzwords. Germination, the sprouting of a new plant from a seed. Seedling, a young plant. A seedling starts to grow a seedling starts to grow. Roots reach down into the soil. The stem pushes up into the air. So here's how it starts. They start little like that. And then slowly the stem starts to grow and the leaves grow. And look at the roots are growing too, they're longer. To the point where they get so big. And then they grow taller and the leaves are bigger, right? So again, here are the leaves. The stem is the center of it, and then the roots are what holds it in the ground. A plant grows. Watering a garden helps it grow. So next year you guys are going to be able to water the garden at the school, and when I take all the little first graders, they're going to see what you guys are doing in the garden. And that's going to be pretty incredible. Just like you, a plant grows bigger and bigger. The roots spread out and down into the soil. The stem gets thicker and stronger. More leaves and branches grow. Buzzword. Soil, the top layer of earth which plants grow in. Remember, soil is the top layer of the dirt. What do plants need? Plants need these things in order to grow. They need soil, water, food, sunlight, air, and space. Water and some food come from the soil. The roots soak them up. Sunlight and air enter through the leaves. Plants use them to make more food. Plants also need space to grow. All right, so here's the soil. Remember, top layer of dirt. So this is where you would put your seed. And then this is the stem, right? The middle of the plant. The food and water gets soaked up through the roots down here. And then up here, the leaves, they get air and they get sunshine so they can grow bigger. 6 fun facts about plants. Let's look at number 1. This palm tree seed can weigh as much as a 4th grader. It's the heaviest seed in the world. How heavy do you guys think a 4th grader is? Do you guys think you could lift them up? Be pretty heavy though, huh? All right, number 2. Scrub-a-dub in the tub. Plants are used in many soaps and shampoos. Did you guys look at your shampoo or your soap to see if you have any plants in them? Pretty cool if you did, huh? Number 3. The paper from this book was made from trees. You know what else is made from trees? Your writing journal that I gave you guys, that's made out of trees too. Number 4. One sunflower can make as many as 1,000 seeds. All those seeds in the middle. Do you guys have sunflowers growing at your house? If you do, I would go check those out to see if you can see all the thousands of seeds in the middle. Okay, 5. Bamboo grows as fast as any plant. It can grow as tall as a 3-year-old child in one day. I'm sorry, a 3-year-old kid in one day. Remember we talked about if you have a little brother and sister? That's how tall they grow every single day. That's really tall. 6. The tallest living tree is taller than the Statue of Liberty in New York, USA. So she's already really tall. But remember we talked about the redwood forest? Right? Those trees are bigger than the Statue of Liberty. Okay. Flowers boom. Many plants grow flowers. They start as a bump called a bud. Did you guys see if you had any buds in the backyard? The bud slowly opens, petals gently unfold to reveal the inside, right? So you can see the inside. Surprise, it's a flower. Do you guys have any white flowers around your house? If you do, I would go check them out. These are really pretty. Sticky pollen. Flowers make a sticky powder called pollen. Pollen sticks to birds and bees when they fly from the flower to flower. Okay, remember the pollen? That's what pollen looks like. All those tiny little yellow dots that are all over the bee are pollen. Then the pollen rubs off on other flowers. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. Buzzword, pollination, the moving of pollen from one flower to another. This makes seeds grow. And the pollen moves from one flower to another by the bumblebees, right? Seeds. Plants keep seeds in different places. Many plants grow a case around the seeds. The case is called a pod. Peas and maple tree seeds grow in pods. So this is a maple tree pod again, and the seeds are in this part right here. You guys see how it's almost kind of see-through? And then pea pods, and the seeds are these little green ones. They taste delicious. Orange seeds are different. Their seeds are on the inside. You know, sometimes when you cut open an orange, you guys can see the seeds and you have to pick them out so you don't eat them. But strawberry seeds are on the outside. Those tiny little holes on the strawberry full of seeds. Do you guys eat those or do you guys pick those out? Now the seeds take a trip. Some float on the wind and others are carried away by animals. The seeds fall to the ground. Soon they sprout or germinate and the new plant begins. So some are spread by animals. So a bird carries a berry with a seed inside. So when the bird's done with the berry, he'll drop the seed wherever it lands and then maybe a berry bush will grow there. A squirrel holds a large seed. If he doesn't eat it, he'll bury it, and then it'll grow into maybe a new tree. And then this is a dandelion seed scattering in the wind. Remember, those are the seeds, and the top, the white part, helps them float through the air. Pass the plants. People and animals eat plants to stay healthy. How many plants did you eat today? How many plants did you guys eat today? Because I ate a banana and I ate an apple. What did you guys eat? Panda eats a bamboo plant. He's a cute panda. I like him. And then watermelon is a fruit that comes from a plant. Pretty awesome. All right, I want you guys to pick a plant, any kind of plant, whatever plant you can think of. Maybe it's that big tree outside of your house, or maybe it's the tiny tree you have in the bathroom. I don't know. And I want you guys to tell me how you think the seed starts and how it grows. So remember, the seeds start off like this, and you gotta dig a hole and you gotta put it in the earth. They sprout a little bit, germination, and then the new plant comes out. So I'll leave this page right here. You guys pause the video, and then you guys can write a story about maybe an orange tree growing. Or maybe you want to talk about how a watermelon grows on plants. Your decision. Pick any kind of plant you guys can think of and tell me how it starts from a seed. It sprouts a little bit and then the new seed comes pushing up, okay? All right, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.